This is the RingConn Smart Ring. It's just been released. It's a beautiful, highly sophisticated unit. It's in direct competition with the Oura Ring, coming in at about $150 initially, as opposed to $350. This ring can collect all kinds of data. Of course, heart rate 24/7, blood oxygen monitoring, also 24/7, heart rate variability, yep, all day, all night, unlike the only nighttime readings collected from the Oura Ring. It also does stress monitoring and has a special case that can charge the ring away from electricity. You can have 3 months worth of use out of this as long as you bring a charged case along and charge it regularly, and you get 7 days of life out of this on a single charge. It's amazing. Additional features that are coming soon include skin temperature measurement, airway respiratory rate, yep, that's your breathing cycle, plus a sedentary alarm built into the app and a measurement of your actual sedentary time. We've got both an Android and an iPhone app for this one to tether to, and of course it's Ip68 Waterproof, so you can wash your hands with it on. After all, it's been engineered for 24-hour wear. Beautiful, easy to wear, easy to size, slides right on your finger, has optical diodes in here, green ones for your heart rate, red ones for your blood oxygen. All that data is transferred to a tethering app, and there's no data plan associated with this. Everything you collect, you keep. You don't have to pay for it monthly. It's called the RingConn Smart Ring. Check it out.